we are going to have general elections, and it's never easy time. Personally, I have been involved in all presidential elections within a multi-party era since 1992. So for the 30 years that I've been involved in this kind of elections, I think we have one of the most challenging this particular year. There is a possibility that it will be divided, but we can choose as Kenyans to make this to be the most peaceful and the most unifying election, and one that is going to mark a difference. We don't need any laws, we don't need any statutes, we don't need to be forced by anyone to be peaceful, to behave well, and most important, to accept the results. And together, whether you won or you lost, we fought together as a country. And to all the people who are looking for elective seats, presidential elections especially, I want to tell them, Kenyans love you a lot. Kenyans love you, Raila Odinga. Kenyans love you, William Ruto. Kenyans love you, Musalia Mudavadi. Kenyans love you, Justin Muturi, Kalonzo Musyoka, Gideon Moi. But Kenyans don't love you enough to die for you. So please be advised accordingly that if it is between you and peace and the future of our children, Kenyans will choose peace and the future of our children over you. So please don't be misguided for one moment. Let us have a peaceful election, winners to be congratulated, losers to accept that they have lost, and we are going to have another chance for those who lose to make another effort to be elected. I would want to see a lot of Kenyans, especially youth. I want to see a lot of youth elected next year. I want to see a lot of women take up leadership positions. I especially want to see a lot of professionals. They always say politics is a dirty game, and sure enough, they leave it to people who can be able to undertake that dirty game. So I want to tell professionals, don't sit on the sidelines, come and offer yourself for seats. And Kenyans by now, they are clever people, they are more intelligent than we were 30 years ago when we started this multi-party experiment. So youth, women, professionals, please come forward and offer yourself for elections. Let us also respect our choices, our parties. Let us respect everybody's choice of association, irrespective of who you want to associate with. That is what we fought for when we fought for multi-partyism. To have a multi-party culture, we need to fight all this way, go to the streets, shed the blood of our compatriots, so that we can have a one-party state. Let us fight for the space of our political parties, of our associations, of our freedom of thought, freedom of expression, freedom of association.